website, social media, blogs, videos, images, posting every day. It's overwhelming. If you're a business owner, then listen up. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we use this free tool to generate content that you can copy and paste across all platforms. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here. I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how you can take this exact framework that we use, implement it for your business. This video may be boring, but you're going to learn something. If you want the tool, comment tool down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. All right, so the first thing we want to do in the tool is create a pillar piece of content. Now, what we don't want to do is create our content around AI. I recommend using audio or video, speaking and teaching and educating about something, and then adding it in here. From there, then we're just going to put in the exact title that we think is going to work best, and it's going to generate content for every single channel. Then all you have to do is copy and paste or have your virtual assistant do it for you. We have a virtual assistant that we use. I'll put their link down below so you can go ahead and start using them as well to save you time, save you money, and get this knocked out. Now, what we want to do is first create a YouTube video if possible. Here's my YouTube video that I'm going to share with you today. If you're not comfortable getting on camera yet, that's fine. Just pick up your phone over here, hit the record button, and speak about something. From there, it's going to create the blog post and all the other channels from there. Now, I want to stop you real quick. A lot of people are showing off. They're posting motivational, inspirational things. The problem is your clients don't care about you. Your leads don't care about you. If they don't know you, that means they don't like you, and that means they don't trust you. You have to build education. You have to provide value and meet them where their pain point is. So if somebody is in there looking for motivational quotes, we don't want them to find you. They're not going to pay you thousands of dollars. If somebody's in there looking for how to, what is, or educational stuff, they're going to hire you and they're going to work with you. Now, where are they looking? They're looking on Google, ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity. They're looking. And if you're the educator, the helpful person or business, you're the one that they're going to hire. All right, so what we want to do is think about things that are going to help. So what I like to do is come over here to the AI SEO generator. I like to scroll down and give it a little bit more details about my business. This is who I am. I'm an agency, and this is what I can help you with, ads, and this is where I'm located, North America or US. And then I wanted to generate those search terms to tell me exactly what these people are searching. So they're looking for advertising tutorials. They're looking for beginners. They're looking for updates. They're looking for different ads on Facebook and Google. What I want to do is go check those off. I want to head over here and I want to start creating that content. Now, once that content's created, you're going to go ahead and post a blog. And this is where I want to teach you step by step. If you want to actually show up and get results, follow this framework. AI and ChatGPT are showing the helpful content now more than ever. So what we want to do is create this topic across all platforms using the same title. We want to answer those 4 questions that somebody would ask and give them that value right away. You're going to want to index your YouTube video if possible. And if you want to take it a step further and be a pro, start a podcast, upload the audio there. ChatGPT is recommending podcasts, YouTube videos, and original content that people make. Be the educator, get on here and start doing the stuff. From there, you want to link this across. You want to put this on Medium. It's a trusted article software that's completely free. Create a short post from the generator, put your YouTube video in there. Create an X article. X is going to be coming out with something called Grokopedia. And if you're the one creating articles, they're going to recommend you once they turn into the new Wikipedia. Create an article on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a super trustworthy place. Create an Instagram post with a reel or a short from that video. Or you can even make a carousel if you're not making videos yet. Go and create something on Substack. That is a newsletter and promotional, almost like a newsletter blog network like Medium. You can embed your YouTube video, you can create the post and link it all back. Last but not least, create something on Spotify, create that audio, upload it there, and that's where the trusted source is going to be. So if I go all the way back to that first screen, we want to knock these out. I recommend starting with some. What we're going to do is put that YouTube video in there. It's going to fetch the transcription, and then you want to take one of those how-to, And then what you want to do is knock this out with just a click of a button. So what we're going to do is generate that YouTube description for us. It's going to pull the transcript that we said in the video or the audio, and it's going to create it from our words. That way you're not blending in with the rest of the robots. You're real. You're going to be trusted. This is who clients are going to hire, the people that do it right. From there, once it's done generating, you're going to scroll down. You're just going to copy and paste it right into the software. Or if you're a pro, get a virtual assistant or somebody that can help you with this, that can copy and paste and do it for you. We recommend using Go High Level. I'll post my affiliate link down below, and you can schedule this all out for the week so you don't have to go in there every single day. Boom, now your content's created. Go up to the top right, hit copy, and go paste it across all the channels. What are you waiting for? Go do this. Don't wait any longer. The software is going to be in the link down below, or just comment to and we'll send it over. And what you can do is start generating helpful educational content for your brand to get more leads and to get more customers. This video brought you any value. It'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about this AI and marketing stuff, check out this playlist here. I come on this channel every week. It'd be awesome if you subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video.